In a clash with the police, 2 dacoits were killed in retaliatory firing by the police in the area of Arifula, Acceptance. When the police conducted a raid to arrest the criminals involved in advertisements, the dacoits opened fire on the police party, resulting in a heavy exchange of fire. One of the deceased dacoits was identified as Kamar, also known as Camry, and the process of identifying the other deceased dacoit is underway. The deceased dacoit was involved in serious cases, including robbery during a train robbery in the Kamar City area of Arifula. The deceased dacoit was also involved in the case of opening fire on DSP Amir Sahil during a raid. The deceased dacoit had been involved in serious cases such as train robbery, attempted murder, kidnapping, and terrorism. Besides Pakpattan, he was also involved in serious cases in Lahore, Bahawalnagar, and Okara districts. DPO Pakpattan Tariq Waleed along with the local residents reached the scene and praised the police, chanting slogans of "Long Live Pakpattan Police." The process of identifying the second deceased dacoit is ongoing. The bodies of the deceased dacoits were transferred to DHQ Hospital Pakpattan.